Alright, so this is Tiblio, and it's an amazing online service that helps you find the best trading opportunities. They have multiple different screeners for credit spreads, bull and bear squeezes with a lot of trading activity, option sweeps to follow large trades and big money moves, and a lot more for your different trading strategies. There's a trading board so you can log all your trades as soon as you enter. You're gonna get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone and get a good idea of your percentage of wins and losses. You're gonna get access to fast market news on any stock, and that's valuable in itself. But the best feature is the community Discord group, where you can exchange trading ideas and get guidance from the Tiblio team. So you can sign up for $34.95 a month. That's less than a tank of gas, but make sure that you sign up with my link and get your first month for 20% off. All right, so make sure you check out Tiblio. If you haven't already tried out Webull, they're giving away more free stocks when you sign up and fund your account with any amount or transfer over. And you'll get $5 worth of any of these coins when you make your first crypto trade worth at least $1. So sign up with my link in the description below. Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch. Join the Black Girl Stocks Options Trading Discord group for my weekly watch list, trading strategies with entry and exit points for your trades, day trading and swing trading ideas posted throughout the day with AI technology, tips, and a community of over 300 options traders. So click the link in the description below to join today. Okay, we are live. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtel Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. Okay, welcome to our midweek recap. What's going on with my, welcome to our midweek recap. I know I'm a little bit behind. Something is going on with my microphone for the camera, so just bear with me. Thank you guys for joining in on the live tonight. Okay, this thing doesn't want to work. Oh man, you guys are seeing it all on live right now. This is not going my way. Okay, so, oh man, you guys, oh my goodness. What is going on? Okay, yeah, you guys are seeing all this on live. So I hope everybody had a good week. All right, we have Sirius Bach. What's going on? I made it on time. I'm not on time. You're on. We're both a little bit late. That's okay. What's going on, Sirius? Hey, Ada Ortiz. Thank you so much. The man of I love. Thank you. Hey, Raz. All right, so this is gonna be our midweek recap where we're just going to kind of talk about how the stock market has been moving for us. Now I know it's been a short week and we really only have a couple of days worth of data to go off of, but we'll be able to work with it. Hold on. So I'm going to give you guys just a little bit of time. First of all, make sure that you thumbs up this video. It really helps the channel. We have a few people in here. We have like 50 people in here, 12 likes. Let's go ahead and get those likes up, you guys. Okay, and I'm trying to get this thing set up right. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this, bro. All right, I'm just gonna forget that for today. That's okay. It's okay. I'm trying to get my little sound effects on. Let me see. I'm gonna try. No, it's not gonna do it. Dang. All right, it's cool. I'm not gonna worry about it. But yeah, so the beginning of the week was pretty bearish. Let's go ahead and let's move over to our Webull page here. So we're gonna be looking at Webull here. Hold on, I'm on Tesla. And you know what we normally do? Normally we're always gonna start with our indexes or indices, and I like to start with SPY. So this is just looking at the daily chart, but just kind of going off of what happened Tuesday was great. Puts, it was definitely put city. We had a few puts going in the Discord group. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys scroll down below. Join my options trading group. Just a group of over 300 amazing options traders. Okay, we're all trading in there, making profits and learning. But yeah, I don't know if you guys were trading on Tuesday, but the market midday had a reversal and we started moving in a bullish direction. And the same thing happened today. Very, very bullish day. I think this is one of the strongest bull run days that we've had since what, March. So you'll see here I kind of have my Fibonacci retracement levels here just from the most recent high on the daily chart and our most recent low, and you can kind of see we are literally at this point. I don't think I said this on, I don't think we went live no, we didn't go live last week. I said this in the Discord group, but you kind of see this level here. Where's this? You see our 23.6 fib level. So that price range is going to be around 393. So we've used this point a few times. We've used it as support, and we've used it around support. This is around May of this year. And we've also used it as resistance. And you see here we hit it a few times in June, in June and July. So one thing that's interesting is we did move up to, which line is this? Okay, so this is our 200 period moving average. Normally you guys don't see the fib levels. My friend Tati is really, I call her Queen Fibonacci because she's really getting me into these fib levels. So we did use, I don't even know what level is this. Oh shoot, girl. Okay, so we hit the 50% level and that was around that 425. So we reached that. That was back on August the 16th, use that as resistance, and now we've kind of dropped down just a little bit. But we are at this level, and it looks like it kind of rebounded today. So this is on the daily chart. And one thing that I do like to see is this MACD indicator here. It is in the negative, but I like to see this histogram. And, you know, I don't want to be biased, but I just feel like naturally most people want to be bullish on the stock market. And anytime we're bearish, that's just to hedge our position. So, I mean, we're always going to want it to increase. That's okay. But yeah, this histogram here, we have -4, -3. So that's a good run on the daily for me. And, you know, I would see the next level possible. And we use that as resistance too. That would be this, it would be around 411. So this 38.2% zone, so that'll be around $411. So if it does continue on this short term pull upwards that it's had, then that would be another level that I would see SPY moving towards. And the first indication to me, I'm still always going to use my entries. I love to use the moving averages, child. You already know. The first moving average that I really like, and I know you see a lot of lines here, so let's just break it down. This main white line here, this is, oh child, I'm getting a little. Okay, this one is my 50 period moving average, and these other two small ones, those are my exponential moving averages, and then you'll kind of see one yellow one here. I know it's a lot going on, but my entry would probably be around that 401, just for something, you know, short term pull upwards to at least that 411 to see, you know, where we are with this. But it's very interesting moving to the 4-hour chart. So that's where we are with SPY. But, you know, another thing that it could continue in this downward pattern that it's been on and use that 50 period moving average as a resistance and continue moving downward. So this is a really important level to watch. And so I would just want to use this area as, and if it does this, then that, if it does this, then that zone. And that's what I see with SPY right now. So this is a very important area. It's really playing around this 23.6% zone. So what do you guys think about SPY tonight? Jason, you said you got burned today. You must have had puts open. Chris says buy low, sell high. Okay. All right, I'm glad that you guys can hear me. Thank you. Chris, oh, okay. Chris Cryer says traders are trolling the Fed. Yeah, the Fed, they're definitely trying as hard as they can to get these prices down. We have another Federal Reserve meeting on the 21st. So in a couple of weeks from now, we have another Reserve meeting. They had a speech today, and we have more information coming out from the Fed on this Friday. But the main interest rate increase is going to happen on the 21st. And now I think it's a 70% chance we're going to have a 75-point increase. It's going to happen. It is what it is. The crazy thing is they want 3 million people to be unemployed. And so I'm just really trying to see what's going on with that. We have these raising prices everywhere and unemployment. So I'm that's concerning to me. But I'm not a economy buff, so excuse my ignorance. But yeah, what do you guys think about SPY? Do you see this level where we are? And actually, I don't know. I really want to see what's going on, because if you look here, this is on the 4-hour chart, this main white line here, this is the 50 period on the 4-hour, and this is the 200 period there. So it looks like we had a slight cross below. So our 50 period moving average moved below our 200 period, and that's considered a death cross. Very bearish indication there. So I mean, we have had this cute little pull upwards, but on the longer trend, looks like we just had a bearish cross on that. Fibonacci was a Fed chair in Rome. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Chris, thank you for dropping the gems tonight. Raz1 says Apple got on my nerves today. Yeah, I had a few Apple calls. I was waiting. Let's look at Apple. Hold on. So this was Apple today. It really didn't do too much for most of the day. It started to move around 12:30, and that's actually, they had their conference reveal around 11 Eastern time, so that was 12 here. And then it kind of started to move a little bit upwards, but it really didn't follow SPY most of the day. Apple was one of the one stocks that just was not moving. Tesla was moving, SPY moving, everything was moving today except for Apple, in my opinion. But they ended the day green, up almost 1%. Chase said, how did I do today in the stock market? Okay, so check this out. I think where did I write this? Okay, so I'm really just trying to do the social media thing. So sometimes I forget what I say where. I don't remember where I said this. But I've been doing this taking profit challenge where I'll open up a few contracts. So if I'm opening a position, I'll open at least 3 contracts, 3 to 5. I'd like to do 10, but I'm not there yet. So 3 to 5 contracts, and I have different take profit zones. And so I've just been taking profit here, let it sit. Take profit there, let it sit. In my account, the increase is just, it's amazing. And I'm doing less day trading. And I have more time to stay away from the screen and do other things. It's so much more peaceful. So my trading day was absolutely beautiful. Okay, I took profit 4 or 5 different times today on the same position. So I'm feeling great. Tesla calls. What did I have today? Hold on. Hold on, you guys. Let me tell you what I have right now. And we'll see what happens. I really don't like to hold too much. God, dog. Ooh, shoot. Ooh, it's still going up. I'm not used to this hair, y'all. No, so right now I have a couple of Amazon calls right now. I'm just kind of holding on to those to see what happens. I wish I could share. I guess I could show you in here, but it's going to show you my account, and you don't need to know what's in there. That's not, we don't need to do all that. Nobody's coming to looking for me, okay? You're not coming and looking for me. So Amazon calls, a couple of Meta calls right now, but I might not hold on to those too long. I have DVN, so I don't know if what's going. I don't know if Tanya's on here today. Tanya, I don't know if that's the stock that you kept talking about, the DVN, but I have like 5 of these right now, so I'm trying to see what's going on. Energy is going crazy. I had 5 Tesla calls and I closed 4 of those. I'm holding on to 1 because they were very short term, so they expire on the 16th, so I'm not trying to hold on to those too long. And that's pretty much it outside of my long-term holds. I'm loving the long-term holds and I'm loving the trading whichever way the stock market goes. We're doing calls, we're doing puts, credit spreads. We're just doing we're going off of what the market is showing us, trying to predict less and just really going with the flow. So to answer your question, Chase, that's how my day was. It was absolutely amazing. I hope your day was good too. How was everybody's day today? Leo said that Jay Powell speaks in the morning, so got to be careful. Ooh, yeah, I'm holding on to these calls. We'll see. SPY took long as hell to hit the EMA this morning. Yeah, it was a mess. Hey, Canon. No, I'm shooting on a Panasonic right now, but I do like Canon. Hey, Canon. Not Panasonic. This is Sony. Yeah, this is a Sony Lumix. Anyways, Canon said the market would be down today if it wasn't for Apple. You think so? Apple wasn't doing much. Hey, Raphael. If I could get my stuff working. See, it's not connected to my computer. You can't hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound effects. I don't hear them. My speakers are off. Hold on, you guys. Golly, I'm tripping on live tonight. Golly. Let's try this again. Yeah! So you guys may have been able to hear this all along. I wasn't able to hear it because my speakers are turned off. Sorry. All right, you guys. Hey, Kenneth. Kenneth, where have you been? I haven't seen you. Kenneth says, sell now, child. After the market drops 30%, buy back what you sold. I know that's right. Sirius said, don't show my account. And there was this guy, I don't know what his name was. It was this man on YouTube. He made some video talking about me being a scam, and he said he doesn't think I'm a scam. He just wants me to show my portfolio. I'm not. I'm a young black queen, and we're not doing all that. Not yet. Now, once I'm a millionaire and that's known, then, I mean, it is what it is. But now, I'm just a regular person. Yeah! Now let's get back into the market. So, I mean, I don't know. You guys, give me some stocks that you guys want to look into because, wait. Dre said could retest June lows. You think so, Dre? Ooh. Oh, this is Apple. Cannon said look at the 4-hour chart. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have been following. I've been doing the triple screen trading method. So my go-to zones are the day chart, 4-hour, and the 1 hour. So I'm trying to stay on that 4-hour, 1 hour, and the lowest I'll go is 30 minutes. I promise you that 1 minute chart, it'll mess you up every time. That 5 minute, 15 is cute, 30 is cute. Stay off of the 1 minute chart. Unless you're scalp trading, it's gonna mess you up. I promise you. Stay on that 15, 30 minute. Ooh, okay, let's look at Roku from Dre. Let's see what Dre's talking about. Oh, they're all gonna kind of look the same. Let me start back. Oh no, very tight. We've talked about Roku before. Remember we said it was trading in between this zone for a while. Oh yes. Hold on. So we had some resistance around. We had a lot of support around 73. We hit that point a lot. It looks like we slightly broke below that. So I feel like if you have your calls, you might be anticipating it moving back up to that 73. Now, I don't know if it's going to use it as support. I don't know. So let's move in a little bit. And that's literally right where kind of the super trend 50 period moving average is. Around that point, that's what I would need to see. So for me, once tomorrow, I would really just want to see, I love this, the pattern that we had today. We did have a slight cross above my EMA lines here. So that's, that's a good signal for me. These lines right here, these are my 5 and my 10 period exponential moving averages. So that's a little bit more short term. We saw that cross above that. My next signal is going to be that 50 period, and that's literally right where our super trend indicator is. I love the super trend. Okay, I love Webull, but I'm really kind of getting into trading view. We'll talk about that later. That's a whole nother video. But that point, what is that? That price is maybe around 68. So we have a few dollars to see what happens. So if you're holding on to Roku calls, you have some cute profit while you wait for this to get to where I want to see it. Actually, I don't know what your delta is though, so we'll see. But thank you, Dre. Okay, Ronnie, great since I finally made it to 20. Hi, Ronnie. Thank you. Thank you for joining the live. Good job. The trade don't end. You put the profits back in the account. I know that's right. Hey, Jizu. Hello. How long have you been trading the market? I started trading for my birthday in June 2021. So that's how long I've been trading. Learning every day. Serious. Okay, what is that? Okay, Jeremiah said, let's look at NVIDIA. Let's see what NVIDIA is talking about. I'm hearing a lot of cute things. Okay, I think I drew this. I must have drawn this fib on a shorter time frame. Hold on. Yeah, let me take this off. Hold on, you guys. Okay. So, this is in an interesting position. I mean, obviously you can see long-term has been in a downtrend, but one thing I like to see with these little volume bars here, and I don't know if Webull's gonna add the volume profile on here, but I'm loving the volume profile. But on these volume bars here, I like that the bearish momentum is kind of slowed down a little bit, and we have a little bit of a bullish move today. The RSI is pretty low. MACD is slightly increasing. It's still in the negative, very negative. It's like -5. But looking at that histogram, it is kind of showing some signs of some positive movement. So we went from -5 to a -4. So it's something. Now, moving to the 4-hour chart, something that's really cute. We saw something similar to the last stock that we were looking at. I do like that we had that little crossover above my EMA line. So to me, if I was going to get into something bullish, my first indication, you can use either the 50 period moving average or you can use the super trend. So those prices would probably be around 143 and even better, 152. That's a big range in between. So, I mean, you can use the super trend, but if you want to be, a little bit more safe, then you can use that 50 period. But this one, I don't know. This had a death cross too. When was this? This was back on August 31st. So, I mean, we kind of saw that play out. So we'll see what happens. This is on the 4-hour. And then, I mean, obviously, as far as bearish move, I'm just going to use the most recent support as my entry range. So it'll probably be around at 130, and a little bit closer would just be this last candle that we had today. So that wick closed about 133. So I mean, there's ranges, there's levels. Okay. Okay, right. Hey, Lady XO. Terrible. I was in the red all day, but I'm sure they're going back down. Yeah, tomorrow, I feel like we'll see what happens. Thank you, Kenneth. Oh, Lord. Thank you. I don't have a little heart thing on here. I'm going to add some more sound effects because y'all know how animated I am. I need more sound effects than this. Okay, let's look at Google. Let's see what Google's talking about. I'm holding a few shares of that. Let's see what Google's talking about. And we'll do a few more, you guys. I actually have a Zoom meeting tonight right after this, so we're gonna have to do my internet. I'm gonna have to call Spectrum. My internet is cutting out. Okay. Patience is cute. Patience is cute. What did we say? We're looking at, I forgot the stock we just said. You said, Chase said the Auntie Kathy special. I know you lying. You talking about Kathy Woods? The Auntie Kathy special. Aunt Kathy. Hey, Aunt Kathy. She can be my auntie. My rich aunt. Hey, Kathy. Hey, auntie. Why doesn't it want to go to Google? Am I already on Google? Something is going on with my internet, you guys. Hold on. She keeps showing me NVIDIA. Okay. And after these stock splits, I don't know, something's wrong with the charts. So some time frames look a little funky. Maybe I just need to refresh. But yeah, looking on the daily chart, it looks pretty interesting. Now, one thing I can kind of see that's standing out to me, I know you guys can see this. Google has kind of been trading in between a cute little zone too. Let me see if I can draw a box. Look at that. Wait, that's not perfect. Hold on. Let me see if I can fix it. Can I change this? Oh, yes. Okay, so you see that we've kind of been trading in between this little box here. And one thing that's interesting is, you know, we could be at the support area that we've had. And it looks like it's around 110. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but I've always kind of wanted to do that ASMR stuff. Am I doing too much? But I want to see what... I'm going to stop playing. I'm going to stop playing. But yeah, like I said, we're at this support around this 110. It's literally right there. MACD is looking cute to me. Okay, even though it's negative, it's in the -1 range. Just looking at that histogram, we do have some positive movement. And you already know the MACD is going to have its strongest reversal moves when we are moving from the bottom. And when I say bottom, I just kind of mean like, actually, it would... yeah. So, I mean, I'm seeing it move from that -1 to -0.9. Hit myself. So, I mean, let's move to the... we can't see the 4 hour, so let's go to the 1. Let's see. Okay. And let me get this box out the way. So, yeah, just... oh, no. Well, looking a little bit closer on the 1 hour chart, I would kind of wait and see on that one because this looks very much so overbought. It looks like tomorrow it probably could have a little bit of a release. And even looking at the MACD on the 1 hour chart, it looks a little bit different. So short term, it looks like it's probably going to have a little bit of a drop. We'll see what happens. It's literally right here in between our 200 and our 50 period moving average on the 1 hour chart. So this is a zone where you want to make a move. This is where you want to decide what you're going to do. We're right there. So honestly, short term, I would probably be bearish. Just like you guys said, tomorrow's probably going to cool off a little bit. So I don't know. I'm holding on to these calls, child. Damn. I knew I should have closed. I really don't like holding overnight. I really don't. The market has just been too volatile. What do I think about? Oh, I don't want to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. I really don't. Tyrone, I really don't. Like that. I'm a very sensitive person, and I don't want to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't know. I don't care about Bed Bath & Beyond. There's too much going on. Hey Shay, I don't know if I'm saying your name right, Queen Shay. I'm gonna need to hear you say it. Sharon, don't be doing Sharon. Shh, I'm deleting this. Sharon, hold on. Don't put the government on there, Shay. Y'all throwing my name out. I'm gonna have to take these comments down. I'm sorry. Y'all stop putting my government out there. Whoever knows, they know. Come on now. Okay, let's look at some more. Okay, we've been on here for 30 minutes. Okay. Oh no, I have my meeting in a little bit. Let's do two more. Two more, you guys. Two more. Hey, Samsung. Yeah! What's going on? We got Sharon. We got Shay. You know, I don't know. I really want to say your name right. Samstone. Let's look at MULN. I see you guys are talking about that. So let's see what she's talking about. Oof. What is this? Is a penny stock? Y'all know how I feel about this. I don't know. I mean, it's barely moving. I don't know. I mean, for what it is moving, it's in a downtrend. It looks like it's slightly moved up. Now, this is one thing I like to see. Now, it is in a downtrend. Okay, we can see that from the 1 hour chart, and you can see that it's been using our 50 period and 200 period moving averages as a cute little resistance. It literally just moved up. The RSI looks like it's a little high to me. So I'm probably, short term, I really want to see what happens. It's at a point. If we have candles close above this 200 period moving average, we'll see if it breaks above that. And if it comes back down, uses that as support, then it could continue moving up. But of course, it could continue in its overall pattern and use this as resistance and move downward. So as far as the bullish incentive, that's something that I would want to see. And honestly, my entry would probably be around the 76 cents. That's something that I would want to see. I would need to see it move up a 10 cents. Okay, 10 cents. As far as the, bearish continuation of the trend, I would obviously, I love my super trend. I would want to see it move below that super trend range. And you'll kind of see, this is our support that we've hit a couple of times. We hit it here. This was during pre-market, but this was on the August 29th. Hit it again, hit it there, 29th again, 30th. Just keep hitting that. So we'll see what happens. I feel like if it surpasses through that support that we've had around that 60 cents, then it's probably going to continue to drop. But if I see it pass above this recent resistance and our 200 period moving average here around that 70 cents, 75 cents, then that would be my indication that it might be kind of moving out of this little downtrend that it's been in. So we'll see. And you'll see, like I said, it's moved above the 200 period before, so it'll move above, but I want to see, is it going to use it as a support, or is it just going to move above it and continue moving downward? So we'll see what happens with that. On a shirt, patience is cute. I know that's right. Stay Humble said, I need my puts to print. I need my puts to print. Tyrone says Powell's gonna bring all these stocks down ASAP pre-market. Dang. Take profits while you can. Dre said, I noticed that SPY likes to spike around 10:30. I want 143 shares of Google. Who with me? Hey. Oh, you own. I don't have that many, Tyrone. Okay, I like to keep it cute. I'm going to add it over time. I only have 15 shares, so you on it. Okay. Sharon, you doing a lot tonight, Sharon. Stop that. Come on now. All right, let's look at Alibaba. Puts. Hey, Jay. Jay says puts. Hey, Sadika. Ooh, that's a pretty name. I like that. Let's do one more, you guys, because I told you guys I have this Zoom meeting in literally like 10 minutes. So let's do one more. Alibaba. I'm going to see what she's talking about. I mean, long term. So on the daily, honestly, I'm getting to a point where I'm getting a little bit more picky with my trades, and I probably wouldn't want to trade Alibaba right now just because of how tight this DMI indicator is. It's really not giving me a lot, but it's really kind of tight right here. It's very tight. Okay, you really can't even see a difference in between my moving averages here, but I do have the 50 and the 200 period moving average, so it's right there. It's in a little sandwich. For me, okay, it's a little bit better. Yeah, it's still trading below my 50 and my 200 period moving average. It's giving downtrend. So I'm going to see what happens because the RSI, you know, it did reach that 30 range, and it kind of bounced off of that. So obviously it has some room to move upwards. Same thing, kind of looking at the MACD indicator. So I want to see, is it going to, you know, kind of have a little spike? And let's see what happens. Is it going to reach this, 50 period moving average is right there with the super trend indicator. That's that red line. So that's what I would need to see it pass above. And then honestly, passing above that 200 period moving average, that would be a good sign there. So we'll see what happens with Alibaba. Of course, as far as bearish, I'm going to always use the previous support in the past few days. So that would probably be around that $87. And then, you know, obviously a good target would be probably around that 85 and lower. So we'll see what happens. But that's pretty much that on that, you guys. I feel like we had a good live tonight. Yeah! It's okay. I don't want to sound petty, but I just I don't know if those people are talking about me over there. I don't talk about them over here. That's okay. Everybody's doing their due. Hey, there's room for everyone. Hey, but yeah, so we're doing our thing. I have a Zoom meeting. I'm sorry, you guys. Columbus is waiting on me. Hey, Columbus, if you're on the live, I doubt you are. You need to be getting ready for this Zoom meeting. So, okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining our live. Actually, what is the DMI? I have a video on the DMI. You can go to my channel and just type in DMI. But just off the rip, DMI is the directional moving index, and basically it's kind of an elevated relative strength index, but the RSI doesn't tell you which direction the strength of the trend is. So the DMI is a little bit better because it it'll give you the strength, and it'll also show you the strength of the buying and selling pressure. So it just gives you a little bit more. Look up the DMI plus ADX indicator. So just make sure it has that little cushion in it. Check out the video. And yeah, I'm not going to be late. And he was late. Actually, I'm not going to put his business. He was late last night. We were supposed to have the meeting yesterday. Anyways, I'm not going to put his business out there. Thank you guys for joining the live. I'm going to have some videos coming up for you soon. Make sure that you join me on social media. I'm getting more active on there. So join me. Everything is at BGS Foxtail. It's spelled exactly the way it sounds. There's no underscores, there's no numbers, none of that. So if you guys get people adding you, sending you messages, it's not me, okay? I'm not sending you guys messages. I'm not talking to you guys about crypto. It's scams, honey. They're taking money. People are talking about this, taking $500 from people. Don't send these people your money. I don't need your money, okay? I just need your engagement and your love. I don't need any money from any of you guys because we're making money every day. Yeah! I just need your love and support, okay? So I'm going to catch you guys on the next video, on the next live. Make sure that you have your trading plan. Use the triple screen trading method. Drink your water, a gallon a day if you can. Journal your trades, and when you see strangers, imagine them walking up to you with a loving look and that they're about to give you a hug. Just whenever you see strangers, just imagine them like, dang, like they're about to give you an award and they're just showering you with love. Just imagine it every time you see strangers in the supermarket. Love, 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 water, money, energy, all of that, okay? Okay, you guys, so I will see you later. Love you guys. Bye.